Is your Audi A4 key fob's range decreasing or failing altogether? It's likely the battery needs replacing. This video guides you through a simple DIY battery replacement for 2008-2016 Audi A4 models, saving you time and money compared to dealership service. Your Audi A4 key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery to power its electronic functions. This battery powers the key fob, which transmits radio frequency signals to control keyless entry, trunk release, and the alarm system. The key fob sends radio frequency signals, typically operating in the range of 30 to 50 feet, to communicate with your vehicle. When the battery weakens, signal strength decreases, which can reduce the effective range and impact these key functions. You'll need minimal tools for battery replacement in your Audi A4 key fob. A small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to carefully open the fob without scratching it. A new CR2032 lithium coin cell battery. This is the standard type that powers the key fob's transmitter. Optional gloves to avoid transferring skin oils to the battery, which can cause corrosion. And optional electrical tape for added insulation around connections. Begin by carefully inserting the flathead screwdriver or pry tool into the seam of the key fob. Gently twist or pry to separate the two halves of the fob. Avoid excessive force to prevent damage to the plastic housing. For models with integrated key blades from 2008 to 2012, handle gently to avoid bending the metal key. Once the key fob is open, locate the CR2032 battery, which is held securely in place by a metal clip. This clip prevents the battery from shifting during use. Carefully remove the old battery by gently lifting it out. Take care not to touch the circuit board more than necessary to avoid transferring static electricity. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. This ensures proper electrical contact and prevents damage to the fob's electronics. Remember that static discharge can damage the sensitive electronics on the circuit board. Ground yourself by touching a metal surface before handling components. If the key fob still doesn't work after replacement, start by double-checking the battery polarity. Installing the battery upside down is one of the most common mistakes and can prevent the fob from functioning. Next, ensure you're using a brand new CR2032 battery that's not expired. Old or depleted batteries may seem to work initially, but fail quickly. Check the battery terminals for corrosion, which appears as white buildup. This can block electrical contact and cause failure. Clean corroded areas or replace the battery if severe. Avoid static electricity discharge by touching a metal surface before handling the fob's electronics. Static can damage the internal circuit board. Try resetting the key fob by cycling the vehicle's ignition key or pressing the buttons in a specific sequence. This can sometimes restore proper operation. If these steps don't resolve the issue, consult your Audi owner's manual for model-specific guidance or take it to a professional mechanic for diagnosis. While this DIY battery replacement works for your current Audi A4 key fob, consider the future of automotive key technology. Digital and smartphone-based keys are rapidly becoming the standard, with over 60% of new vehicles now featuring app-based entry systems. To support sustainability, look for eco-friendly, rechargeable CR2032 batteries. These can last up to 5 years with multiple charge cycles, significantly reducing electronic waste compared to disposable options. Brands like Panasonic offer green alternatives that align with global environmental directives. Always dispose of used batteries responsibly at designated recycling centers. Improper disposal contributes to electronic waste, but proper recycling can reduce environmental impact by up to 30%. Many automotive stores and community centers offer battery recycling programs.